Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel again. If this is your first time here, thank you for coming, and to my subscribers, thank you for returning. Are you looking for shampoo that can cleanse your scalp easily and give volume to your hair while it makes your hair soft? Then you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY shampoo using black soap. So I'm using the regular black soap, the bar soap, which is Dudu Awesome. You can use this or you use the locally made ones. So with my grater, I'm going to grate half of the bar. So while we grate this, let's talk about the benefits of black soap. When you use black soap, it exfoliates your scalp by getting rid of dandruff and other impurities that could prevent your hair from growing. So if you want to have a healthy hair, you can try the black soap shampoo. So now that we are done grating half of the bar, I'm going to be pouring this inside my rosemary water while I place this on a very low heat. If you want to see how I made the rosemary with water, here is a video of it. You can take a look at it. In my rosemary water, I added about 1.5 tablespoons of chia seeds. Chia seeds also help in fighting scalp inflammation. It reduces hair fall and contains zinc and copper, which helps in preventing hair thinning. Chia seed also prevents breakage and it also gives strength to your strand. You can use chia seed in place of flaxseed to make gel for your hair. So we are going to allow this to boil completely until about 15 minutes. Now we can add our grated black soap into the rosemary water and the chia seed, and then we will keep stirring until we ensure that the black soap has completely melted inside the water. This might take a while before the black soap dissolves completely into the water. So to prevent this, when you want to grate your black soap, use a tiny hole grater to grate it, so that when you place it in your water, it will dissolve on time. So I had to keep stirring so that the black soap can dissolve on time. If you are watching this video and you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. So now our bar soap has completely melted into the rosemary and chia seed water. The next thing is to strain out the water. That is what we're going to be using for our hair. And now, as it is, I had to press out the water with my hands because I don't want to waste any of it. Because of the presence of rosemary and chia seed, this shampoo can only stay for 48 hours without preservative. Now our shampoo is ready. When you touch it, you will see that it's very slippery. I'm going to pour this into a bottle that I'll be using to apply on my hair. This is what we got from half bar of the Dudu Osun, and you can use this on your hair about 2 times. Yeah, so here is the result. Now we are going to apply into our hair and wash thoroughly. I took half of the shampoo made and I added some water to it. As you wash your hair, you will feel the slippery nature of the chia seed in the shampoo. So I'm going to pour this into my hair thoroughly and then use my finger to massage my scalp in order to get a very clean scalp. I hope this video was informative. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.